guys, what's up? It's your girl Tanya and welcome back to my channel, period. So I have a new wig review for you guys from a new wig company. It is from Zlike hair. They sent me over one of their wigs to review for you guys. See? All right. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. Let me go ahead and open it. It comes very nicely packaged like that. I like when it's like presented well. I got a wig bag so I can store my wigs in. I got one of these. Oh my god, I have to use this in a tutorial. I'm going to use this in a tutorial, but I got a beautiful bow. It's for that new, like, you know, the new trend that's going on with the bows. That's popular with our youngins, you know. And they sent me over some other goodies. Looks like it's a makeup brush, an edge brush, 2 alligator clips, lace melting band, and some wig caps. And the main attraction is the wig, okay? So they sent me over one of their glueless lace wigs. It's a Kinky straight 24-inch 5x7 unit. I will say, definitely, I love how they packaged and sent this unit. I love goodies. I love when wig companies give goodies. Even myself, when I resell these wigs, I love sending like the goodies that came with the wig, like a wig cap and a lace melting band. I love sending those to you guys when I purchase. So anyways, this is what this looks like. Okay, I will have to straighten her out. She's thick. She's a thickiana. Okay, look at this. She's super thick, super long. This is what the cap construction looks like. She is like a pre-paired wig for you guys. So the knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Look at that. Let me see if I can get close to you guys. The hairline is pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. It comes with an elastic band so you can wear her glueless. And let me see, there's no combs. So that's a first. I don't really use the combs, so I'm not mad at that. I feel like sometimes it's a waste. So let me go ahead and get started with getting this wig prepared to be put on. Okay, I'm back and I went ahead and tinted the lace. I also straightened out the hair some more so that, you know, we could work with it. Got my stocking cap on and I'm gonna go ahead, adjust the strap and throw her on. All right. So this is the unit on. This is where the it stops on the sides. My hair is gray, so it doesn't blend as well. But if you don't have gray hair, you got this in the bag. And this is where the parting. Okay, so the parting is basically here. We'll part a little bit more. Yeah. So part it here, or you can also part it here on the left. I don't know, I might do a left side part. Okay. 1 second. Y'all excuse the rain noises in the back. It's raining. It just started pouring raining in Philadelphia. But I'm going to so I did a side part, a left side part, and I'm gonna just cut a few like layers in the front, nothing major, and then I'm going to like add some curls to it just to give it a look, you know, just to give it a look. So I'm going to take my shears I'm gonna start down low because I don't want any like super long layers. I don't want to cut the back by accident. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same to this side. I'll cut the layers here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in and just curl. Y'all can watch me do that. So yeah, before I get into curling, I just want to say that I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, but this is a 7x5. Is it 7x5? I'll correct it up here if it's not, but it's a 7x5 average cap size, so it's a little big for me in the back, not too big, but I have a peanut head, so that's what I expect when I buy factory made wigs, that it's going to be a little big for me in cap size, but I work with it. It's 180 density for Kinky straight hair. I would never go above 180 density for Kinky straight hair. It's already thick. I usually go 150, so this is some really thick hair, guys, some really thick hair. But it's nice. It's really nice. So I can't even front. Like when I was flat ironing, I was like, woo, this is some nice hair, okay? And I didn't even have to, like, I was gonna glue it down. I had my adhesive spray ready along my elastic band, and I was like, I don't need this, okay? Look at it. I did not need it. It's really flush to my head, which I love. I really love that about this unit, especially because I have a peanut head. Usually, because I do have a peanut head, I'm not talking about myself. Usually when because I do have a peanut head, that John do not stay flush to my head. I gotta use adhesive spray, you know? But I can appreciate with this one, I do not. I don't even know if I need to add baby hairs. Like, I guess if I want to cover this up, but I really don't care because I'm not gonna be like, woo, you know? It's gonna be like this. So definitely really loving it so far. So let's see how it curls. Hey guys, thank you for watching so far. If you made it this far, we're going to go ahead and test this hair and see how well it curls. I'm actually going to use my flat iron. I'm horrible at curling with my flat iron, so if I can curl this wig with the flat iron, you know this is some good hair. And look at that, I already messed up, but this wig really curled super easily, and to be honest, the curl stayed in pretty for a while too after I recorded this video. It still held its kinky straight texture. It looks like some natural afro textured hair that has been blown out and curled. It's not a silk press, but it looks really, really great. It's really not much to say. Y'all can just watch me flat iron it. I'm only going to show you one side because I'm literally just doing whatever I'm doing to the right side. I'm going to go ahead and do to the left side. But it was, like I said, it was super easy to curl. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscription button or the subscribe button. And then also hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I do upload new content. I don't really have any social media right now. I do have my TikTok. It's just Tonya M, TONYA EMM underscore. So TONYA EMM underscore. And I have my business page, 1111 Beauty. That will be linked in the description box below, so you will be notified anytime I have sales or whatnot on resell synthetic, or not real, resell synthetic wigs, human hair wigs. And I also do customized synthetic wigs as well. I restyle them and sell them to you guys. And I also sell lash products as well, so that will be linked down below, the Instagram and the actual website. And yeah, so I don't know really, I'm trying to think what else I can, as far as social media, that's really it, guys. I did have a huge sale this weekend, or last weekend, Labor Day, and thank you so much for those guys who supported. Anyway, so yeah, so I have a variety of hairstyles or resell wigs that I've reviewed once and just trying to get rid of them on the website. So check it out to see if there's something that you would like to buy. If there was a review that I did a while ago and you're interested in getting the wig at a discount, yeah, girl, got you. Okay, so yeah, this is the other side. I didn't really show too much of me curling the full process like I did the right side, but like I said, like this is the wig, and it held the curls really well. I did spray some flexible holding spray on there. It's not like the super, extra hold, but just to give it some little bounce and hold at the same time. And then combing it out, it's really nice, like really nice. I really love this. I don't know, really, like this wig is just like, I don't know what I was expecting, but it really just exceeded my expectations. I'll say that. I feel really sexy in this wig. I really don't usually go for kinky straight wigs, but I really do like this. And if you're not really into the kinky straight look, I do suggest you purchasing this wig. It's really easy to work with, and I really believe that you'll be satisfied with the purchase. This wig will be linked down below along with Zlike Hair's website. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.